In this video, we're going to look at creating a fly-through using Archicad. In this example, you can see I created a fly-through using 9 cameras. You can add as little or as many cameras as you wish, and the cameras can even go inside the house. The aim of the camera is to create a virtual tour of your house. To create a fly-through, we need to use the camera tools. To add a camera, we need to click twice. The first click drops the camera in place, and the second click requires me to draw a line to draw the camera's point of view. We can check each camera by clicking on the arrow tool and then going to the navigation panel and clicking on camera 1 underneath empty path. So this camera is pretty close, so what I need to do is use the explore feature and track back a little bit from the house. I can also change the angle by using my mouse up or down. Once you are happy with your angle, click and then right click your camera and choose the option that says modify this camera to current view. To add more cameras, go back to the plan view, then use the camera tool and continue adding your cameras around the house. The purpose of creating a fly-through is to provide the client with a virtual tour of the house. So you can see here I'm adding cameras at key locations. After I've added all my cameras, I need to go back to each camera and modify each camera to fit my purposes. Remember, the aim is to show key parts of your house. After each camera adjustment, don't forget to right click each camera and modify camera to current view. Once you have finished adding all your cameras, now it's time to create the fly-through. To do this, we're going to click on Document, go to Creative Imaging, and choose the option that says Create Fly-Through. Here, you can leave the default options as is, click on Save, and save the fly-through on your desktop or a local hard drive. After you've entered the file name, click Save, and then you'll see the fly-through being created before you. This rendering process may take some time depending on your computer hardware. Once your fly-through is completed rendering, you may want to adjust the animation to make it smoother. To do this, go back to Plan View and adjust the handles of your camera. You can do this by clicking on the nodes, and you can see that the camera paths will be affected by your adjustments. These cameras act as keyframes, so if you want a smoother path, you may need to add more cameras. Once you are happy with your camera adjustments, click on Document, Create Imaging, and Create Fly-Through again. Leave the settings as is, then press Save and give your adjusted file a new name. Now you have finished creating your fly-through.